Now that we've made our recordings, now we can embed it into PowerPoint. So you first click Photos, then you choose your screen recording, and then hit the share icon, which is on the bottom left-hand corner of your iPhone. And then you go to Outlook and send the recording to yourself. Then you download the recording, hit the little arrow, click Show in Folder, right-click the recording, copy it, go back to PowerPoint, and select the specific slide you want to use in order to post your video. It's a very unique way in order to basically show something in your presentation. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope this helped.